Yeah.
So without any further delay, let's talk about the man, the myth, the legend, super talented and super handsome, Mr. JD. So what's your longest ride? I'm like, how long to, because I hear about something like when you have sort of like a low gear and people ride for a long time. I heard the term monkey butt because they like vibrations, right? So
Yeah.
so how long can a person ride for? And
Again, that's a personal preference and personal comfort level. You can buy certain things to put on the seat of your bike that help with that feeling. I always recommend, just every 50, 100 kilometers, get off the bike, walk around for 10 minutes, stretch, and then get back on and do it again. So, it's a personal thing. I know people that they want to ride 1,000 kilometers a day or more.
Yeah.
I got a buddy, he's actually one of my guides, that he rode from Toronto, Canada, okay, to Houston, Texas without stopping.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my dear God.
Yeah.
Woo.
He was doing this challenge thing, challenge thing that he was doing, and he did it. And I mean, he stopped for pee breaks and fuel breaks, obviously, but he just went straight down and that's crazy, insane stuff. On our tours, we break up the day. It all depends on the specific itinerary, and it depends on where we're staying overnight, what activities or attractions we're visiting during the day, and that kind of thing. So the shortest day, maybe 100, 200, couple hundred kilometers if we're doing a lot of stuff that day. But the longest day, if we're not doing a lot of activities, maybe 450 kilometers.
Okay.
Right. So it's all about, these are vacation packages. We're not trying to kill people. It's all about
I got you.
yourself.